Hi, I'm Chris Rosa, and I'm proud to be the president and CEO of the Viscardi Center. We're a network of nonprofit organizations with an almost 75-year history of educating, employing, and empower people with disabilities and their families across the life cycle.
We had a general contractor for the project for the Museum for Disability History, setting up the day for the installation, completing the day, and then come back and go over the operation of the doors. It was very smooth. We had a really, we were so happy about this project, and especially with dormakaba. Everything went so well.
Partnerships like the one we have with dormakaba here at the Viscardi Center are so important. They make such a difference to our facility here being much more accessible. I really think that societal issues can be solved best when you have a mission-based organization like the Viscardi Center who understands the issue, and a for-profit like dormakaba who can have the solution for that issue.
During the day when the doors automatically open, I feel like it's great for everyone in the school, because that way I don't have to push the door open. When it opens automatically, it makes it easier for me and a lot of kids at this school. It makes me feel a lot more independent, and I like to feel independent.
Everything has to work, the HVAC, but also the doors, the automatic doors. That's the main thing. It's the first thing that our children come in the morning, and they're so excited to be here. And can you imagine wheeling their chair up to the door and the door doesn't open?
It really is great to come through these doors and know that people care about you.
It's saved us money on our end, having such reliable products that we don't really need to service, or to have the support of dormakaba in servicing our products at a very low cost for us, means that more of the money we raise goes back into the mission and goes straight to the students and supporting their needs in the classroom.
In my 51 years here, I have different companies, and I found dormakaba that they are very reliable. And as of now, we have no issues at all, and we are very happy to have dormakaba in our facility.